What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to be making some homemade pickles. So if you want to see how I do this and just how easy it is, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we got everything we need to make these pickles. We have mustard seed, salt, pepper, dill, a little sugar, apple cider vinegar, white vinegar. We have some jars that we saved, and we're going to use those. We have bay leaves here, garlic, and of course the cucumbers. So let's get started. So I'm starting by smashing my garlic. That'll release more of that garlic flavor, give it a strong taste in my brine. And I cut the cucumbers up into spears. So you want to make sure you cut those so they fit in the container that you're using. I'm using this brine here. It's a room temperature brine. Real quick, it's vinegar, water, salt, pepper, sugar. You can add red pepper if you want to make it spicy. Whatever you want to do, you can add more salt. The sugar doesn't make it too sweet at all, so don't worry about that. They're not sweet at all. So you mix this up and you're going to pour it over the cucumbers and you're going to let that sit and you're going to tap it on the counter there like I'm doing here to get all of the air bubbles out, because you want to make sure that you get all of that brine throughout the pickles, throughout your cucumbers. So you want to make sure you get all the air pockets out so you can use all of your brine when you're making your pickles. Here I'm using a knife just to aid me in getting all of the air pockets out of my containers. I want to make sure I can use all of the brine that I've made in my measuring cup there. Don't worry, I will put all of the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. This is just a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. It's really that quick. But I do want you guys to have the recipe so you guys can make your own. You can tweak it. You can do whatever you want. You know, it's up to you. Make them spicy, all that good stuff. So here I am using mustard seeds. I put mustard seeds on the top, and this is dill. I'm also putting dill on the top. If you have fresh dill, absolutely use that. But this is what I could find at the local supermarket, so that's what I got, and it's been working pretty good. So after I topped everything, I close my jars, and I give it a nice mix so I can mix all that dill and the mustard seed, mix it throughout. And there you go. We just made homemade pickles. Easy, simple, doesn't take a lot of time, very flavorful. They're not too salty, but if you want to make them saltier, you can do that. You can do whatever you want. Simple recipe, and that's what we're all about. I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, you know what we'll be doing. Being country in another country. Peace.